Hello traders, The title of the video is how to use price target like a pro precisely. We are looking at a financial instrument CSX Corporated, EPIC CSX, Charlie Sierra S-Ray. This is a stock that is listed on the Nasdaq 100 belonging to the industrial sectors, railroads. We want to talk about how to use a price target like a pro precisely. I'm on a monthly chart, all right? So you may say to me, Joe, why do we care about price target? Because the price does not go up or down for no reason. You may say, George, I already know that. And I'll say, hold on a second. Now, if you already know that, how do you use it? You will be looking for day trading, scalping trading, swing trading, or even position trading opportunities on or near those target level. We always have two target levels. You say, George, I already know that. The ultimate target and the midpoint target. Those are the key levels where you will be looking for trading setups. All right. And also the intersection between a trend line, a moving average, and those key levels will provide what we call a hot spot trading zone that will create a surge in trading activity or a surge in trading volume. All right. If one is trading and one is not using the price target, one is trading almost blindly. And you do not want to do that because the professional traders always know where the price is headed, the ultimate target and the midpoint target. There are many ways that traders set their price target, and I already discussed that. I think we have a playlist about the price target trading at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right. So looking at this chart, I've done my homework to save time because my intention is to keep the video very short. You can see that the price went up. You see, went up, and then it formed what we call a V pattern, a V chart pattern, or a round chart pattern. It went up. It formed a V pattern. And after that, the professional will measure the depth of that V pattern because the prior move was bullish, all right, very, very important, and now it formed a V pattern. So the market sentiment before the V pattern is bullish. One will project that depth up, setting the target in a zone of $39.84. One will also highlight the midpoint target, which is somewhere here, midpoint target, which we divide that measure and stick into two. There is a midpoint target there, and I'll color it into red. Pay attention carefully. All right, this will help your trading very well. So as the price start going now, you see here it breaks above it. All right, now if I find a resistance there, all right, now come back down. Good. Watch out for that midpoint target. Usually those who bought it above the neckline of the V pattern will be looking for an opportunity to take some profit at the midpoint target level. Did they take profit? Yes. You see, for 1 month, there was this candlestick bar that pulled back here. We tested, you see this trend line connected this point, and this point, you see, that red trend line, you see, the price breaks above it and retested here as the price was touching the midpoint target. That's your setup there. Break above that red trend line and retest it there. But you need to be very careful because of that midpoint target. You can see that the next candlestick by this one here, as he opened here, he pulled back a bit. That's very, very interesting. Pull back to retest that trend line near that midpoint target. And people bought it here. Where are they bringing it? They are bringing it to the ultimate target, which is the pink line right there. So professional trader bought it here, near the midpoint target. They took some profit also here. So if you want to day trade, swing trade, scalping, you are looking for where the activity, the trading activity is more likely to be interesting that will generate a kind of interest for you to buy or to sell. In this case, you will be looking for an opportunity to buy. As they bought it here, they know that the target is there. So at the target level, the price has a high chance to pull back a bit. Did it pull back? Yes, they took profit. Price went down. So you will be saying priority bullish signal above and priority bear signal below, the midpoint target, and also the ultimate target. See here? Prior return back to the, you see this move. Why this tendency bar went up very fast? You see, it's because trader place orders above that ultimate target to buy there. So as it start going up, you are the monthly chart daily tendency bar will start going up. So they will place orders here to buy above that ultimate target. Those orders were filled and the price ran very, very fast. Another reason is because they don't want the price to stop again here because they sold it here. There were some people just selling like old-fashioned traders without using what we call a different time frame trading method, hoping that it probably come down as it did here. All right, you see here, you just break through it. Where is it going? You see, now you can also understand what's going on. As it goes above that level, the same measuring stick, look at that. They will put it above the first ultimate target. Where are we going? See, that brown line, somewhere in that zone. All right? Somewhere in that zone, see? Did people take profit there? Yes. They did take profit at the ultimate target. Where is the midpoint target? Let's move to this one and put it somewhere in the middle there. Did people take profit there? Did you see? That long tendency bar, okay, it hits, okay, so to speak, the midpoint target. You see the shadow on top. You can understand why that tendency bar got it there. Now, he breaks above it and retests it. As he did before here, he breaks above that trend line and retests it near the midpoint target. Same thing here again. Will that be very interesting for you to only concentrate in the best places where one can look for trading setup? Here it is. Traders implement a top-down trading method after that pullback, different time frame trading method. Next target, this one. Did they take profit? Yes, they did. Pull back to retest again the midpoint target. Next target again, that target there. Finally, you see here, he breaks above it. You see here, breaks above it. Yeah. Didn't retest it this time. He's running away because people start understanding what is taking place. Don't go away yet. So ultimate target again. Here it is, this one, ultimate target. Where is the midpoint target? Somewhere there. You see, now again, it breaks above that midpoint target again. Look at that, and retest it again. Look at that. Isn't it very interesting? Wouldn't you be interested in those kind of trade? And then they took it from here. Again, don't just buy, use a different time frame. Where is it going? Target level. Did they take profit there? Yes, they did take a profit. When they are selling here, what is the target? Again, midpoint target. Now again, he retests the midpoint target and then turn around again. While after that tendency bar is closed, they will implement a top-down trading method. Where are they bringing it? Again, a target level. Now, so before you run away, before you say, Joe, you said this 100 times, I master it, understand it. Now, allow me to speak to new traders. Did you see the depth of this round of surprise went up, and then form a V pattern. Now, look again. It went up. What he did again? He formed again a V pattern. Look at the depth of this one. Look, exactly the same depth. This is what we call the characteristic of a financial market, a financial instrument. So this stock, if it goes up, it has a high chance, no guarantee, to pull back this kind of depth down. Here it is, exactly the same thing he did here. So now he ran out. What's going through our mind? We will be thinking that probably, not guarantee, he may do something completely different though, but it's in our mind that probably he may go blah, 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 again form another V pattern with the similar depth like this. Unless the trend has ended. Using the Elliott principle, we can know whether it has ended or not. Isn't it beautiful? Instead of banging your head all over the place, taking all kinds of useless trade, is to get your attention, all right? You don't want to take every trade. You want to take the best trade. Look at that. This is about how to use a price target like a pro precisely. You want to trade like a pro, like a professional trader. They understand there's a target, there's a midpoint target. Those are the areas where they are coming to the market. All right, precisely. Look at that, beautiful. Now, a trader did ask me okay, because I was talking about the characteristic, how to use. There was a video that I posted recently at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, and I was talking about how to use the price action to forecast the price action. In that tutorial, we were talking about using the characteristic, okay, of the financial instrument. So where we are talking about characteristic of a financial instrument is a habit that the price is doing frequently. Like this stock, we can say that he got a habit to form after going up to form a V pattern. Now there is a little bit difference, bit of difference between what we call using the characteristic of a price action, okay, and the predictive fractal pattern. If you want to know more about the predictive fractal pattern, go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on the predictive fractal pattern. When we are using the predictive fractal pattern, it means that there is a pattern that has been formed on a particular time frame. It can be hourly time frame, 5-minute time frame, or even monthly chart. And that pattern is now being formed, being copied and pasted on another time frame. Because we already know that pattern, doesn't mean that the price will definitely complete the pattern or validate the pattern. It means that there is a high chance that the price may repeat the same pattern. There is a little bit of difference. Here, talking about characteristic is a habit. By talking about predictive fractal pattern, we are talking about a distinctive pattern being formed with a distinctive structure that we have identified, that we have isolated. Now we notice that the same pattern is being copied and the price is trying to paste it on another time frame. Now, the predictive fractal pattern is the most powerful market forecast tool that traders are neglecting. But I know some traders, okay, are following us, are very, very interested in that topic. I'm aware of it. I will be talking about it more, okay? I'm aware of it. So this is a little bit. I will be recording another video about the difference between using the characteristic of the financial instrument and the predictive pattern in another video, okay? So now you say, where are we now, George? You just talk about it, blah, blah, blah. I'm interested in trading CSX. Well, where are we now? You see? So the price now at this level, the monthly chart, we connect, talking about top-down trading method, trading like a pro. It's about using different types. So we go on a daily chart, you see there is a trend line, you see that's why I put it there already. Connected this point and this point. That bearish trend line is taken out. So look at that. Look at that. That's yesterday. Today I'm recording this video today. Look at that. On the 16th of February 2019. Yesterday was Friday, yes or no? So yesterday, the price breaks above that trend line. So while you are using different time frame, you are analyzing the price. So let's go now to the hourly time frame. Here. So that hourly can you see here? We have pullback to have a long tail. Why is he having a long tail? Because of the support in that zone. Now it's hanging around here. Why? Because of that ultimate target that we were talking about before. It's just happening all over the place. And if we drop down to the 10-minute time frame, you see, there it is. Just consolidation. The price was consolidating on the 10-minute time frame, acknowledging that, okay, target level that we have drawn on the monthly chart. So we can connect even the monthly chart to the what? 10-minute time frame. Even to the 3-minute time frame. So this we conclude our discussion today about how to use a price target like a pro precisely. If you want us to look at another financial instrument and you know a financial instrument that is very interesting, you want me to look at it, put it in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. I really appreciate it when traders share our video. And I say to those traders, you are amazing beings. All right? Sometimes I'm posting video first on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is stochastic-MACD. Sometimes I'm posting video first on YouTube. My YouTube channel for stock trading is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Subscribe to them and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the team STW24 traders talking about how to use a price target like a pro precisely. Was he precise or is he a mambo jumbo? All right, let us know in a comment section. If you want to learn more about technical trading, you may visit our website www.stochastic-macd.com, www.dayprotrader.com for predictive factor trading, and also www.24elliotwaves.com for forecasting the market using the Elliott wave principle. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.